Hello, today we are going to learn sine rule. So before you know what is sine rule or cosine rule, you need to know when do you use sine rule. You only use sine rule when it's not regarding a right angle triangle. Because right angle triangle, you can use tuakaso, right? Tuakaso is very easy. Or if you want to find the length of any side of a right angle triangle, you can use the a square plus b square equals to c square formula. So what happen if you have a triangle that isn't a right angle triangle? Something like this. When you have something like this, none of it is 90 degrees, right? You can use something called the sine rule to find the unknown length or unknown angle. Let's say this is angle A, angle B, angle C. What I'll do is the length of the opposite of angle A, I will name it small a. Okay. The length opposite of angle B, I will call it small b. The length of the opposite of angle C, I'll call it small c. So as you can see, opposite of angle, opposite of angle, opposite of angle. Simple. So the formula goes like this. Okay. A, length A over sine A is equals to length B over sine angle B and equals to C, length C over sine angle C. Simple. This is the only formula that you need to know for sine rule. And to do sine rule, you either use these two or these two or these two. Any combination of the two you can use. Okay. So let's say I'm using these two. Okay, when I'm using these two, if I want to find A, I must make sure that I have 3 knowns, okay? I cannot have 2 unknowns in a single equation. I must have 3 of them, okay? If I want to find angle A, I must make sure I have the small a, small b, and angle B. And then I can proceed on doing. Let's say I have a random question. Let me think of a random question. Because math, we need to try, right? Zap, zap, like that. Let's call this angle 60. And this as this like 7. How about this? Put it as 80. And this as x. Okay, so how do I find length x? How do I find length x? Let's say, look, when you do sine rule, always see what pair do you have. You want the angle and the opposite length. That one must be your first pair. As we can see here, hold on, I use a different color. This and this will be your first pair, right? Angle, length. So I put it as 7 over sine 60 degrees is equals to length over sine angle, right? So I put it as x over sine 80 degrees. Okay. This is my second pair. Hold on. This will be my second pair. I repeat again. Length over angle. Length over angle. It cannot be length over angle. Then angle over length. Cannot. Okay. Top is length. Bottom is angle. Okay. So when you are here, what you do is to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, I'll get x multiplied by sine 60. I'll get x sine 60 is equals to 7 sine 80. Okay, so what is x? X is equals to 7 sine 60 over 7 sine 80 over sine 60. Let me check back again. 7 sine 80, x sine 60. Then I divide, I will get 7 sine 80 divided by sine 60. So what do I get? Let me key inside my calculator. I'll get 7.96. So the answer here is 7.96. Done. Very easy. So again, I repeat again, what you must do in sine rule is to know this formula. If on top, all your numerator is length, all must be length. If below is all the angle, all must be angle, okay? So always find, firstly, know the formula. Secondly, find your pair. So this is my first pair. This is my second pair. And this angle and this length is my third pair. You know that everything become easy already, okay?